Hi, today I have brought a very special and a very unique kind of video. In this, you can know the answer to yes or no. Okay, suppose you have a question and you want to know whether the answer to that question is a yes or a no, then you can actually select this video and you can select one option and see what it says. Now yes, you have two options. The first option is yes and the second option is no. So suppose if you want whatever in your you have in your mind, and you have to select one option. Okay, don't get confused by this. This is definitely a yes or no kind of reading. At the same time, the options also say yes and no. Okay, so you have to select one option, and based on that, you will get a yes or no answer for your question. Okay, so let me share with you the options, both the options with you in the screen over here so that you can select. How do you have to select? You have to focus on both the options. Again, I'm telling you, don't get confused. The option names are also yes and no. So any question you have to which you either want an answer yes or no. Okay, just think about a question. Think about anything, whether it's a yes or no. Okay, you want to know whether it is a yes or no, and then either select any of these options. Okay, so any options you choose, suppose you select yes or no, then based on that option, watch the video. What is the answer to your question? Okay, so yes, let's see the options here. Okay, so I hope that you have selected your option. Just in case if you selected the yes option, let's see what is coming up for you. What do the cards say? Okay, so first of all, the cards are saying that whatever your question is, whatever thing is in your mind, it actually needs that you fight for yourself. Okay, you will not get things easily. Things will not turn out easily. You will have to fight yourself, fight your way through to get those things sorted. Okay, the next is, even if you have to fight your way through this, the one thing that you should have in your mind is yes, you just have to remember that you have to be of service. See, even if you are going to do some extraordinary tasks in this world, there is some or the other reason, right, why you want to do those tasks. And one of those, the major reasons of that would be that you want to be of service. That is what is shown by this reading. Okay, that's shown by this option. So don't forget, even if you have to fight your way through it, remember that you are doing it so that you can serve well. The next is this: clear out the old. Okay, so yes, some kind of breaking of rules, some kind of breaking of barriers, breaking the walls is needed. Okay, and clear out the old. What exactly you have to break? Whatever is old, whatever is redundant, whatever doesn't work anymore, old belief systems, old any systems that don't work anymore. Okay, so those are the things that you need to break, you need to clear. Okay, and this card, okay, this is the card for change. Okay, we have the 5 of cups. Okay, it is the 5 of cups. Though there is some or the other kind of pain involved. Yes, you do feel some or the other pain is involved in whatever you are experiencing for this problem. Still, there is this thing you have to remember, that Emotional pain will be included, emotional pain, emotional trauma, all that is included, but it has a reason why something is happening. You have to break the old barriers, you have to clear out the old stuff that is not working anymore, and you have to make your way through. And that process is not going to be easy, it's not going to be a happy process, it is going to be a painful process. But whatever is there, you have to just do it. Okay, you are chosen that you go through this problem and solve it. So there it is, you have to do it. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you got it. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, let me know in the comments how does this reading resonate with you. Okay, and share this video with as many people as you wish. And I'll see you again in my next video. Okay. Okay, so just in case if you selected the no option, let us see what the cards have to say for you. Okay, so first of all, we have the Three of Wands. Okay, so Three of Wands is where, some kind of burning. Something inside you is burning so that it can manifest something. Okay, so yes, that passion, that burning desire is there inside you. And this desire is here to manifest something. Okay, and you are looking forward to manifesting that. Okay, you don't have that capability that you can let go of this desire. Somewhere or the other, you are tied up to this desire. Okay, so you will be, yes, you will be looking forward to fructifying, to manifesting something through this fiery desire. Okay, the next thing I can see is, okay, the next thing I can see is acceptance of love. This desire that is inside you, somehow, maybe it can be a desire for a partner, desire for marriage, desire for bonding, connection with a person. Yes, through this, I do see that. So if it is that, you have to accept it. Okay, see, if even if you desire to have a partner, even if you desire the yes, you desire, you wish that you have a lot of romance in your life, you have a life partner, you have a lot of love in your life, that desire is not wrong. Okay, every human being, they have this desire in them when they are young, and there is nothing wrong with that desire because nature put that desire inside you. Okay, so that is there. You can see that accept the love. Okay, accept the love that you are getting. Accept love energy. Okay, there is love energy inside you. Accept it. This shows leap of faith. Okay, so somewhere acceptance of love also requires having a leap of faith. Okay, so somehow these three cards connect to that. You have a desire, you are also you are also somewhere looking forward to having a partner in your life, and then having a leap of faith and going ahead and getting married to that person. Yes, there are chances that getting married to this person, when a lot of people are not supporting that idea, may also be there. Okay, so yes, a leap of faith. Suppose that marriage, that acceptance of love is not for a partner, it may be for something that you have highly desired for years and years. Okay, it can be your passion, it can be your hobby that you want to manifest. Okay, so this card says there has to be a leap of faith in you, that you need to trust yourself, that yes, if you take that next step, it is going to be in your favor. And this card shows that, you know, you may have some inner feeling that you cannot help everyone. Yes. See, we say this that, oh, help everyone. It's good to help. It's going to come back like thousandfold towards you. You are going to gain all those blessings. But practically, if you see, helping everyone is not possible practically. Okay. And this card shows that you will not be ready to help everyone. Practically, it is true. At the same time, you may be too much attached to things, to belongings. Okay. Somehow, in a way, attachment to physical belongings, attachment to resources is somehow not seen as a good thing. But at certain points, where you are, where you stand in your life, at what position you are, and from where you are feeling this way, based on that, this can be categorized as either a positive or a negative sensation, a positive or negative feeling. Okay. So if you are like doing very well to do, if you have like a lot of money, if you have a lot of belongings, but still you cannot share it, you cannot help others with that, then that is definitely a wrong kind of feeling. Okay. You're not at the right place. You need to change, you need to shift something inside. But if you are at a place where things are limited with you, okay, you don't have enough, you are where you don't have enough money, whatever money you have is just enough to do just for your life, for your lifestyle. In that case, this card says that try to be watchful, don't try to help too many people because you have little. Okay. So yes, you may say, okay, but that is being selfish. That is not being selfish. Okay. If you want to learn exactly something about money, how exactly money has to be dealt with, try to read the books, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and Science of Getting Rich by Walsh Wattles. That something, a correct kind of mentality for money is given there. Okay. So that's actually good. Everybody who has problems with accepting money should read those books. Okay. So yes, so this is the reading for you. I hope that this video has helped you. Let me know in the comments, how did this video help you? Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.